Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. My name is Tisara binti Idris. So today I'm going to show you a demonstration for the mini project ITT 565. So the system name is Pet Security System. For a quick synopsis, Pet Security System is basically a system which it will detect any motion and it will send us an alert messages to our Telegram bot. So what do we need to make this prototype? So for the hardware specification, we need to have jumper. In my case is female to female jumper, ESP room 32 volts, USB micro B cable to connect it with our peripheral device and the laptop, and the PRI sensor. So not in my PRI sensor has a lot of type. You can use the SR501 or even SR505, which in my case I use this one. So how to build it? So you need 3 jumpers. The first jumper will go to the 3.2 volt, and then for the next jumper will go to the ground. For the next one we will go to the D27. After that we will connect it with our PRS sensor. Over here, if you can see, at the PRS sensor we have minus signs, plus signs, and at the middle one is the output. So the voltage will go to the plus sign and the ground will go to the minus. Then for the out will go to the out, D27. So that's it, just like this. And then connect it with the micro B USB, and we can do the testing. So for the next part, before I show you the demonstration part, I will show you the coding, and then the demonstration part. Now moving on to our coding. So open your Arduino IDE. So the first one, you need to include all of these libraries: Wi-Fi.hash, Wi-Fi client secure, universal Telegram bots, so it can link to our Telegram bots that has already been created, and Arduino JSON. So over here is our SSID of the network name, and the password of our network. Then over here is the bot token. So where you can get bot token? Bot token actually you can get from your Telegram apps. You just need to search for the bot father, click it, choose start, and you can create new bot, and after you create the new bot it will give you the bot token. So use that bot token to put it into here. So for the next one is the chat ID. That is the same case as for the bot token. You need to search at the Telegram also for the my ID bot or ID bot. It will give you your personal chat ID. Then you need to put it into here. Need to define it. Then this is the initialization for the PRS sensor, for the motion sensor. So over here, actually what this will do, it will indicate when the motion is detected. So when there are motion detected, it will send us a message which is motion detected to our Telegram bot. So over here, as we can see, when we first connect our board ESP32 boards to our laptop, it will try to connect it with our Wi-Fi. So that's why connecting Wi-Fi, and then it will print our SSID that we are already put it into the declaration part. Then it will try to connect it with the Telegram. After that, if it's connected, it will print these messages, Wi-Fi connected, and it will show us the IP address of our Wi-Fi network. And after that, it will send us a board messages, which is the board has started up. The board has started up actually indicates that if it detects your ESP32 boards that has already been set to your Wi-Fi network credential, when it detects it, it will send the messages which is what started up to our Telegram bots. That's to show us that your ESP32 bots has already been connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now over here we have loop. Void loop. If it detects any motion, it will send us a messages. Like I said, another messages which is motion detected. So if it detects several motion, it will keep repeating the same messages, motion detected, motion detected. So that's it for the coding part. Next part, let's go to the demonstration part. So now let's move on to the demonstration part. So as we can see, in my right screen is my Telegram bots, my pet security bots, and at the left side is my Arduino RDE, which has my coding for the pet security system. So this is my prototype, my pet security system prototype. So now I'm going to connect it with my PC. So as we can see over here, the LED has already been lighted up. So if we look at our Telegram bots, it shows us that the bot has started up. If we click onto serial monitor and click onto the reset/enable bot again, it will show us that it will try to connect to the Wi-Fi network again. And then it will tell us that the Wi-Fi network has already been connected, and it will send us the bot started up messages that indicates it has detected the ESP32 bots has already been connected to the Wi-Fi network. So that's why it has sent the bot started up message 2 times. So then over here, it shows us the IP address of my Wi-Fi network, and then just now it shows us that it detects any motion, like when I'm moving this around, it detect the motion. There we go, it detect it again. So basically that is how it works, and that's it from me. Thank you so much for listening. Assalamualaikum.